I'm showing you how I do my DIY hair mask using just aloe vera gel. You can use oil in combination with it, but I was really curious to see how it was just gonna work with just the aloe vera. And this is particularly for hair growth, but aloe vera has tons of other benefits as well, which I will do a very deep dive in all of its benefits in this video, but I won't waste any time. But before I do, remember to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and join the Terra Squad. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I have my bowl here that I'm going to be holding all of my aloe vera leaves in, and my knife, my cutting board, and of course my aloe vera leaf. And I'm just going to start cutting this up. I like to cut it in about 2-inch sections, but you can cut it however size you like. So throughout this, I'm just going to be slicing this up, and then I'm also going to be cutting off the little spikes on the end of the aloe vera leaf, just because when I start applying it to my hair, it's a little prickly, so I want to cut those off so I don't poke myself. And you can already see the gel starting to seep out, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull those apart. But I did want to get into a lot of the benefits of aloe vera gel. So in this video in particular, I'm talking about how aloe vera gel can help for hair growth. So the main cause for your natural hair not growing is probably due to the pores and the hair follicles on your scalp being clogged by dead skin and product buildup. So what aloe vera does is it contains enzymes that actually remove dead skin cells from the scalp, allowing for your hair to grow freely. The enzymes also help give your scalp a boost in stimulation and balance out the hair's pH to help retain moisture. So, which brings me to the next benefit. Aloe vera is also really good for moisturizing dry hair and for an irritated scalp. So with the repairing enzymes, aloe vera is also packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to help nourish the hair. And for the irritated scalp, it helps soothe irritated skin. So a lot of benefits here, and I'll show you how I apply it. So I went ahead and cut everything up as you saw, and I put it in this bowl just so that I can catch any gel that leaves, so that I can get every little bit of gel as possible. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I took down my hair, and as you can see, this is a very old wash and go. So I am going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 different sections. And I like to part my hair down the middle and then like this, as opposed to half up and half down, just because that works better for me. For whatever reason, my hair just gets so tangly whenever I try to do the half up, half down way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair very, very quickly. So now that my hair is all nice and sectioned off, I'm going to go ahead and dampen it using my spray bottle. I'm going to dampen each section at a time because it is easier for the aloe vera gel to get through the hair if it's damp. So that's why I'm doing that. You have your section nice and damp. I'm going to go ahead and pick up, ooh, this is like oozing, dripping. I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of my cut pieces and go ahead and peel that apart so you can really see all of that gel in there. So I'm just going to get 1/2 of that. And then I'll try to get this in the best view that I can, but I'm going to go ahead and just start applying this to my root. And then to the hair. And gel will run out. As you can see, this is starting to look a little dry now. So what I like to do, if you just take the edges and squeeze them together like that, you can already see the gel starting to slide back on. So just go ahead and take it and put that all over the hair. And I'm just going to continue to do this on each section. And then once I have all of my sections complete, I'll be right back. Okay, so all of my sections are all aloe vera gelled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in my hair for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go take a shower, shampoo, condition, and go through my curly styling routine, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the finished results. So these are my finished results. My curls are looking very moisturized, super defined. I feel like the aloe vera combined with all my other products that I use, it just did wonders for my curls. I hope you learned a little bit more about the benefits of aloe vera for hair today, especially for curly hair. And please remember to subscribe, join the Terra Squad, and I'll see you next week. Bye.